We're rating the strawberry lemonade refresher from Starbucks. Oh my God, that's so refreshing.
Holy shit. 10 out of 10. Wow.
Do you want to know an interesting fact about this drink?
Sure.
So this drink was made by the woman that you're cheating on me with.
The fuck are you talking about?
I found your fucking Tinder. I went through your phone and I found a Megan in there. And Megan's actually the barista that made this. But did you know, I also know about Caitlin, the manager there. You've been fucking her too.
What do you want me to say?
This girl deserves a raise because she's putting up with
shit.
your ass and she makes this amazing drink.
This is ridiculous.
This is proof. Now I'm sending this to the lawyer. You are cheating on me and I'm coming after everything.